if you take one thing from this video, what I want you to acknowledge and to really understand is that emotional intelligence is holistic. And what that means is that emotional intelligence is not just one thing or the other. You don't have one answer or another. You can have multiple different answers said in multiple different ways, meaning many different things. And that is the beauty about emotional intelligence.